Here at Phillip House, we are known to dominate the athletics carnival, so we are confident that this year will be no different. You will see we are home to many killer athletes such as Megan Burton, Brooke Jones, Steph Barr, Nicola and Finlay Murphy, Charlie Bell, Liam Moore and Colin McLeod, just to name a few. Along with the up-and-coming talent from the grade 7, which they'll be sure to look at.
We here in MacKillop have the best house spirit, putting all the other houses to shame. No other house is known for our level of participation and enthusiasm for our team. With such a positive, encouraging atmosphere, we will carry and support each other.
Unlike the other houses, we do not get distracted by shiny rings, rabbits looking at watches, or a wardrobe with a whole new leg within it. We are focused, determined, and ready to take out this year's athletics company.
With our newfound hearts, smarts, and bravery, the other houses will be trailing behind in a cloud of dust as Mac powers ahead to take the cup. Just as I defeated the Wicked Witch by jumping out of my comfort zone and trying something new, we encourage Mac students to do the same and jump out of their comfort zone by participating and having a go in activities that you normally wouldn't.
So our fellow students, let's begin and have a go as athletics fun. Participate in events for fun with friends, dress up and choose your killer from the side, or show your competitive streak and go for a go. Let's show the other guys how much Mac spirit we really have.